that you're seeing right now is called the Win Air Airline. Now, Win Air is also known as one of our air taxis flying to and from our neighboring islands. Now, what date did Sir Christopher Columbus discover the island? Can everybody in? Check how low it goes. Oh yeah. Yes, folks. Yes, folks. Now looking over to your left, once again, we got another aircraft approaching. Landing spots of St. Martin. And if you're not a strong swimmer, another aircraft approaching. Now, ladies and gentlemen, right about now we have another aircraft approaching. Ladies and gentlemen, right about now we have Delta Airlines coming all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. Number 17. Wow. Throw your hands up, please. Number 18. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have JetBlue coming all the way from San Juan, Puerto Rico. Number 18, please put your hands up in the air. For $2 each. You gotta break it down, man. You can't sit down and break it down. You gotta stand up. Number 10. gentlemen, right about now we have American Airlines coming all the way from Miami. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you see how big that thing is? That's what she said. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the massive, the mighty Air France coming all the way from Paris, France. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're here right now. This is another American